Now we have question from human evolution. Now let's get started. First question is fossils of Pithenco, Pithecanthropus was first discovered by. So student, this is from what? This is fossil of Java man. So Java man is called Pithecanthropus and Sancanthropus is called China Peking man. So this is Java man is called Pithecanthropus. So it is from Java. So option C is right. First man to stand erect was. So first man, this should be what? Australopithecus means this the option. The ancestor of monkey, apes and man were. So in this the ancestor means who is the ancient time. So for ancient time and common ancestor, so common ancestor consist here is what? Anthropoids is here. So this is the right answer. And this primates contain two anthropoids. Now we have immediate ancestor of Cro-Magnon man. So Cro-Magnon man immediate ancestor means recently which is, so immediate ancestor is Homo erectus. This should be Homo erectus. This is now this is recently because this is also old. First this Homo sapiens, then Homo habilis. No, first this, then Australopithecus, then this handyman three, third number, and this is fourth number. So fourth number got correct answer. Now, among the ancient men, the artistic sense was most highly developed. So artistic means Cro-Magnon man. Art, paint, drawing, or any industry like project. This is all in Cro-Magnon man. Which of the following monkey has prehensile tail? Prehensile tail means monkey can monkey can hang down by the help of tail. So this type of monkey is from what? New World monkey. A spider monkey, it is called New World monkey, and Old World monkey is rhesus monkey. Now this solo man. Now this solo man belongs to. Now this option solo man belongs to which? So solo man belongs to Java man is called what? Solo man. Java man is called what? Solo man. You should remember this. This is the most important. Now the main what is this? The main diet. This is the main diet of Australopithecus. What? So Australopithecus main diet is meat and vegetable because we know that man is what? Omnivorous. All man is omnivorous. Now we have next question number 9. The most recent in human evolution is. So now recent is what? Recent is from this option we will say this Neolithical. Neolithical means new man. Fossil of Australopithecus are found from. Now Australopithecus fossil found from where? Now Egypt. This is Africa, Central Africa. The age of fossil of Dryopithecus on the geographic time scale. So Dryopithecus is very far, and we should. This is 10 to power 6 is billions year. So which will be correct? So among them we will select this 25 billions year ago was the best for. No, 2.5 billions year ago is best for Dryopithecus. So this is the best option D. This you should remember the age and recent period. Artistic sense was first developed in. So artistic in Cro-Magnon man. This is easy one. Now 13. Which of the following is the probable mode of present man? Homo sapiens sapiens. So modern man is, you can see in all same given erect habilis. So now Now modern is what? Now modern is sapiens sapiens. So this option C is right. Sapiens sapiens here also sapiens sapiens, sapiens. But you should know that Neanderthal second and here is Havelis. So this is wrong one. Now move to 14 number. Now 14 number, four limbs of horse and human arm are. So four limbs given. So four limbs, like this type of question you should go through what? You should always four limbs always go through homologous. Homologous. Most important affinity of present man with the extinct Cro-Magnon is due to. Now in this question asked why Cro-Magnon man extinct. So Cro-Magnon man extinct due to what? Size of brain has more affinity, because here 1600 cc and now we have what? 1450 cc. 1450 cc. Now origin of a species was derived by, this is simple, Darwin. Now let's move to this one. Now question for multiple choice question, we have what? The closest relative of modern man is considered to. So closest relative means nowadays. So nowadays in this closest relative to man is what? Chimpanzee, due to chromosome number. Second, common origin of man and chimpanzee is based shown by that chromosome number 2A. Simple. Three number, the first probable fossil man was. So first probable fossil man, from this probable fossil. So there is probable fossil said. So this should be Homo habilis, because first probable fossil is this, and Ramapithecus is the ancestor of, and Pithecanthropus is also not like fossils. So Homo habilis is the probable fossils of man. Now we have Nutcracker man. So Nutcracker man now said then Homo habilis, because this is what? Handyman. What? This is what? Handyman. Handyman, and this handyman used to make what? Hand for this purpose. In which of these cranial capacity was smallest? So cranial capacity is smallest among them is what? Ape man, because all is what? All three is development. Now in 6 number, let's go. Which of the following is direct ancestor of Homo sapiens? So direct ancestor here means here which is? So Homo erectus, and here also given then Cro-Magnon. This is nearby. So you should say close means nearby. Which of these is close relative of modern man? So here also same organtron, then Sinanthropus. This is on man, and all these are ape. Neanderthal man lived in. So Neanderthal man live in cave. Now 9 number is which of the following is nearest to modern man? So in this we have what? Option Neanderthal man. Cro-Magnon is situated in. So Cro-Magnon man was discovered in France. So France, D is correct answer. 11, Cro-Magnon was. So Cro-Magnon, all man is omnivorous. Carrying capacity of Cro-Magnon. So we know that it's 1450. No. Carrying capacity of Cro-Magnon. Cro-Magnon man is 1600 cc. You know what? 1600 cc, and now modern man is this. Modern man we have 1450. Modern man. recent man. Now we have other number 11 number question. 11 number question. Uh, fire fire for protection. So fireman we always know what Java man. I have told in the chart. Java man is the correct answer. Now 14 number evolution of man was possible because our ape-like ancestor what ancestor shows what bipedal. We moved to the man from ape only due to what bipedal motion. Now, 15, who discovered Java man? So, Java man is discovered by, you should remember this also in the trick. I have also given what DJ. So, DJ is the trick. So, D option is Du Bois. Now, 16 number is kernel capacity of Java man. So, Java man J is for 900 cc. Now again we have the fossil of primitive man received from Sibalik hill in India. So this resembles to Ramapithecus because in India given so Ramapithecus in India Ram born, so easy to remember. Now in 18 number move, most recent man found is fossil was. So now most recent man found in fossil is Australopithecus. Australopithecus is most recent man found in fossils was Australopithecus. You should remember this. Now, no. This is mistake. Recent man here Cro-Magnon given, so don't go anywhere here. Cro-Magnon should be the answer. Now here, okay, Cro-Magnon is the answer. No, I was mistake. Sorry, Cro-Magnon is the answer. Now we have 19 number. 19 number we have the probable first prehistoric man was. So in this prehistoric, so after Drapithecus we have Ramapithecus. So A is the right option. Ancestor of man, which for the first time showed bipedal. So bipedal was from what? From this confidential answer is Australopithecus. 21. Homo erectus differ from Cro-Magnon in having. So Homo erectus from Cro-Magnon. So Cro-Magnon always always have this art painting tool, uh, sloping jaw, but not jaws protruding out. So jaws make thin Cro-Magnon man. So this 21A option is right. Now 22 is the prehistoric man who lived on earth during Latin late, that should be late Pleistocene. Now Pleistocene era, late Pleistocene siege, then Neanderthal is the correct answer because this all from what Pleistocene past. Now which is called age of mammal. So age of mammal is termed hereby what Cenozoic era, because we have learned that CCMP CCMP is the trick. So in in no PP no PPMC is the trick. Sorry, yes, PPMC is the trick. Have written wrong. PP means uh, Pleistocene, then Paleozoic and Mesozoic, and then C for Cenozoic. So Cenozoic is the answer. For 24 number 24, colored rock. So colored rock, colored solid, and painting all comes under Cro-Magnon. Now we have 20 from 25. Now let's start. Due to here problem, some answer got mistake, but at last I have told you that which one presumably possesses largest cranial capacity. So cranial capacity largest shown here is what from this is Cro-Magnon man, because Cro-Magnon man contain what 1600 and Java 900, Peking man 150 and Neanderthal man Neanderthal man 150. It's 15. It's 1250. Okay. Now man who first buried the dead with ceremonies. So this feature got by what Neanderthal man who used this for man buried. Now Homo habilis refers to. So habilis refer to what? Tool maker. Generally what? Tool maker. So D is answer. Connecting link between ape and man was. So ape and man we have already discussed that we should go through Dryopithecus, because first Dryopithecus, then Ramapithecus, then other come. Now 29 come. Now 29 we have fossil evidence indicate the original place for a start of human evolution. So fossils. So fossils said original place for human evolution. Evolution start in Africa, but in Asia man what evolve? Man origin or evolve you say, but evolution started in Africa. This is the correct answer here. Now which one is connected with human evolution? So in human evolution we have what? We have shortening of jaw is the main feature for the development, and that is apart from ape, man has that jaw, visible jaw. Now 31 question nutritionally australopithecus. So in any man omnivorous. Study of human evolution is under. So study in human evolution always in anthropology. Cradle of human evolution is. So cradle of human evolution always began from what? Africa. The theory of evolution indicate that theory of evolution always indicate what? Man from common ancestor. Evolutional theory always make what? Common ancestor. Like now 35 number we have question. The continent where most of the fossil of primitive man have been excavated means where most of the man fossil found. So that is Africa, because here most evolution process of man took place. Which of the following changes for man in the what course of evolution is probably useless? So which is useless among them? That is loss of tail is useless. Now man originated in. So this is most important question. You should always go through Pleistocene. PPMC. So Pleistocene is the best answer. Pleistocene D number is the correct answer. 38. Now cranial capacity of Australopithecus. So here Australopithecus given. So Australopithecus always 500 cc. So option A is right. The man who used the stone for the first time was. So a stone used man was always from the Homo habilis. D number 39. D. Not cracker man. So not cracker always from Homo habilis, because handyman. The cranial capacity of Homo erectus. Homo erectus means Australopithecus. So Australopithecus. No. Cranial capacity of Homo erectus. So erectus man is from Java category. That Java category has 1000 cc or 900 cc Java man, because Homo erectus given. So first erect man was Australopithecus was Homo erectus from Java. Which one is New World monkey? So New World monkey is a spider monkey. C option is right. 42C. 42C. Now we have 43 number. Modern man differ from ape in. So modern man has got what? Arm shorter than leg, and ape has what? Hand is longer, means arm is longer than leg. 44 number, fossil man who made cave painting, then we will always go for Cro-Magnon man. 44 A number. Now 45, correct sequence of stage in evolution of modern man. So from this we have what? Modern man is where? All we have modern man and Australopithecus, Neanderthal, Homo erectus. So this C number is correct option. So this is up to human evolution. We will continue other topic, animal behavior and animal adaptation later day.